What's up, y'all? And today we go through product rule. Product rule is one way of finding the derivative of a function. So you've been given the function of y to be 3x to the 4, 5x to the 2 plus 3. This function is the product of two expressions multiplied together, two polynomials multiplied together. So how do we do this? How do we find the derivative? Well, we can use something called the product rule because this function is a product of two expressions. So the product rule states that if I label this function as u, and if I label this function as v, dy dx is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx. So this is the product rule. So what is my v? My v is 5x to the 2 plus 3. Du dx refers to the first derivative of u, of the function u with respect to x. And what is that? By looking at this 3x to the 4, we can use the power rule to find the derivative, and we find out that the derivative is simply, the derivative is simply 12x to the 3. So let's continue with the formula. Plus u, this is my u, 3x to the 4 times the derivative of the function v with respect to x. This is v, right? So the derivative of v would simply be 10x, because when you apply the chain rule, you multiply the 2 by the 5, you get 10. You subtract 1 from the 2, you get 1. We don't write the 1 mathematically. And the derivative of a constant or a number of, in this case, 3 is 0. So you just get 10x right there. So let's distribute and expand so that we can simplify this further. So 5x squared times 12x to the cube is 60x to the 5 plus 3 times 12x to the cube is 36x to the cube plus 3x to the 4 times 10 to the x is 30x to the 5. So now we group like terms, we add the like terms together. 60x to the 5 plus 30x to the 5 is 90x to the 5 plus 36x to the cube. That's it. So this is the derivative, the first derivative of the function 3x to the 4 times 5x to the 2 plus 3. Sure hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Comment in the comment section if you want to see similar problems. And actually, there's another way you could solve this problem, but comment in the comment section if you do know this step. If you don't, we can go through it in another video. Just comment and I can show you the shortcut. Bye for now.